Hey everybody, this is Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors, back out at my hunting property. Unfortunately, I hadn't been able to get out here to make another video for you in about a week or so. Just family obligations and some stuff going on at home I had to take care of. So it's that time of year, spring cleaning, yard work, that kind of thing. But I'm back out at my property today, kind of doing a little bit of scouting. Turkey season here in North Carolina for youth season started Saturday, so I've already seen some pictures of some folks, some kids bagging some turkeys already, so I know they're out and about moving, so this is great. Next Saturday, or this coming Saturday, will be open season in the state here, so I certainly will be out at my hunting property trying to see if we got any turkey around and see if I can get one. But in the meantime, I'm out here today and I'm going to basically make you a quick little meal here. So first, what I'm going to make, so I'm going to use this cup of noodles stir fry sweet chili flavor. So I'm going to make some Asian noodles with that. I've got a can of nice chunk chicken breast with some rib meat here, so I'm going to use that can. I also have some onion and peppers, which I'm going to fry up, and I've got my Crisco oil, my Gerber Complete. I got a little salt and pepper packet here. Not sure where the pepper packet disappeared to, but it's here somewhere. And I've got a little bit of Tabasco sauce to add a little flavor. But new piece of gear that I picked up recently. This was the seatosummit Sigma Set 1.1. I actually found this in Knoxville. I was at the Bassmaster Classic Expo this weekend before last, and there's a store going gone. It's basically Dick's, and basically they're kind of like their retail outlet store, and I found this on the shelf, and you can see the price right there. What I paid was $27.97, and it was usually around $56.99, so seemed like a good deal to get another piece of gear and kind of give it a shot. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and kind of show you what's in there. And then, as always, I have my Pathfinder canteen cook set. I've got some water in there that I'm gonna use as well with the for the cup of noodles. But before we start, let's go ahead and just open this up. So I'm just gonna kind of pop this open, as you can see right here. And basically, this pot has this interesting swing out lid here. So it just kind of, I move this over like this, and it swings out, and then it kind of locks in place. And then you push this button down, and it locks that handle. It's got the vented lid for draining, you can see there, and it's got that rubber piece right here in the middle, which is interesting, kind of hold the lid itself, so I'll kind of show you that. It comes with a cup, and it comes with a, in case you have hot liquid in there, so it comes like with this little holder here to protect your hands, so that's kind of neat. It also comes with this lid for the cup, so this lid fits right on here. So in case you're having some hot drink right there, you can have it. And then it comes with a bowl. So this is kind of a one-person kit. So it does come with this bowl. And then, as I said, here's the pot and the kind of depth, and gives you all kinds of information about it. You cannot use this over a campfire, what it says. You can only use it kind of on like a stove top thing. Do not microwave. Obviously, it's metal. But this is only not for open campfire. So it's kind of a little bit of a limitation there. So it's definitely for car camping with my Coleman stove, which I have over there I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. And this is a really cool feature, because basically this lid, you know, is really interesting. It's like, you know, it's like, hey, can I put it like that and just kind of keep the lid on the side? Or am I supposed to do that and kind of balance it right there, and that way the lid can kind of hold itself there? That's kind of interesting. So this is a new piece of gear, like I said, that I hadn't seen before. And seatosummit usually makes some really good stuff. So we're going to go ahead and try to cook this up in this pot today. So all right, that's enough talk. Let's go ahead and get the Coleman stove started, and we'll start putting this together and kind of show you what it's going to be. All right, so I've got the fuel canister set and pumped. We're going to go ahead and get this lit. So let's turn this on and see what success we have. There we go. And we'll kind of let that flame burn down for a minute. And then what the first thing I'm going to do is open up the can of chicken, get that onion and pepper going in the pot, and then we'll kind of cook that up, warm it up a little bit, brown a little bit, and then we'll get those cup of noodles with some water in there. So, all right, let me. That's lit. Let that flame get down to that nice blue color that we like, and then we'll go ahead and start putting our ingredients together. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn the gas down. Got a nice blue flame going so far, so let's put that there. Let's go ahead and add our just a little bit of Crisco vegetable oil. perfect. Give that a moment to heat up, and then we're going to go ahead and just add these pieces of onion. I'm going to take my Gerber Complete, break this apart. There we go. Got that. All right. Fork, spoon, and my spatula. Okay, I think that looks hot enough. Let's get this in there. Yes, it is. Perfect. So we'll make sure that gets in the garbage. Let's go ahead and turn this down. Some nice green pepper and onion to cook. Make sure that gas is good. This is an interesting little pot. So again, just a one-person kind of cook set. They had a bigger one there too as well. They had like the two-person, but I already have my Stanley kind of two-person cook set, so I felt that was just kind of repetitive. Even though it's true to say I still have a bunch of canteen cook sets, and those things are meant for one person too. My Stanley Adventure cup set. So, but this just looks like something neat I would want, and it's compact, so it fits nicely into my camping tote there that you see that I brought with me. I kind of showed you, went through that last time. So, I do have some other pieces of gear I still need to kind of show you guys. I still have my cowboy skillets that I got from one of my subscribers, so I've got to make sure I make a video with that. Still working on trying to get a video for redoing the stove, which I haven't done yet, so that's another in the works. So it's just been so crazy busy at work, and then so crazy with getting ready for turkey season. So I got a lot going on, but I definitely want to get out here today and kind of go through this new piece of gear and kind of show you, what I got. All right, so I'm going to let that brown for a little bit, let that oil do the work, and then once that's ready to go, I'll bring you back when I'm ready to add the chicken. Okay, so the onions and peppers are getting nice and brown. You can see that in there, if you can see that. Yep, let me show you kind of that. Yeah, it looks good. So now we're going to go ahead and add chicken. So again, just a Walmart big can of chunk breast chicken. I didn't have any breakfast this morning, so I'm super hungry. So I'm just going to go ahead and drain out the liquid over here off to the side. I don't need that much liquid in it. So just get rid of that. Alright, that's probably enough. Let's go ahead and open the rest of this can. Alright, let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this chicken. Perfect. This is going to be a really hearty meal. I didn't have any breakfast, so let's see. There we go. All right. Perfect. Make sure that gets in the garbage. All right, so let me go ahead and looks like we had again a little issue with the stove here. There we go. Turn that up a touch. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add, I don't think I'm going to add the salt, probably just a little bit of the pepper here. So let's just go ahead and add this little condiment thing of pepper. There's enough salt in the chicken itself, so don't want to get too much salt. That's a bad thing. So make sure all this stuff gets in the garbage. We definitely don't want to leave garbage at the property here. So all right, so now go ahead and stir chicken in with the pepper and onion, and we're going to go ahead and let that cook. Okay, so let me get that a little bit warmed up and cooked, and then as soon as we're ready, we're going to add the noodles and some water, and we'll finish up this meal. All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Signed Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task.
Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small, personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box.
Okay, the water's starting to boil, so let's go ahead and just use my Gerber Complete tool, kind of break up these noodles, get them in the water. Oh wow, this is going to be a great meal. So I just need those noodles to soften and we'll be ready to go. So move this around, break up that clump. Okay, you know what? I'm going, and this is a neat little trick here. You can put this lid right on like that, and that's the way you can put that lid on the side and just kind of hold it while you add. So I'm going to add just a touch more water. Alright, and then I'm going to pick up my lid, put that, mix it, and then put this right back on and bring that to boil. So once that's boiling, we should be ready to go and kind of show you the final product. So stay tuned, everybody. Once it's ready, we'll bring you right back and we'll be done. Okay, let's take this lid off and kind of show you what it looks like. And oh yeah, that is absolutely amazing. I think this is done. We're going to go ahead and turn off the stove. And I love this little option right there. You can just put that lid right on the side to hold it. You know, you can stir it, do what you need to do, and then you just pick up that lid again and put it right on top. That's a cool little feature that I don't have in some of my other products. So that's kind of neat right there. Now, I'm going to take this lid off, put it off to the side, but kind of just show you, like, wow, that is a lot of food I made right there. This is certainly enough for one person, and I haven't had any breakfast, so I think I'm going to eat this whole thing. But let's go ahead and give it the old taste test. I'm going to use my Gerber Complete spork here kind of thing and just try to take a little bit of taste. Let's see how this is. Oh wow. Wow, that chili flavor from the cup of noodles is great. The chicken adds that extra bit of protein. Got the fresh pepper and onion I had from home. Let me go ahead and I'm going to take one more bite. I'm going to be a little selfish here and take another bite. Wow, what a great flavor. Really good kind of kick at the end there with that stir fry, kind of sweet kind of spicy, maybe it is a little bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. Hey, I mean, you know what, while I got it, I'm gonna go ahead and just drop in a little of my Tabasco pepper sauce right here, this little packet. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. There you go. Give it a little bit more kick, because I do like stuff with a little more kick. I seem to develop a taste for a little bit more spicy food over the last couple years, so let's go ahead and mix that in. This looks great, it tastes great, and again, anything here that I used today, right, definitely take with you on the trail. Get some pepper and onion, throw it in a bag, right? You can take that with you. The cup of noodles, obviously it's all dehydrated, so you just add some water. So perfect one person, one camp meal. And I probably could share this with another person if I really needed to. I mean, there's a lot here, especially with that bigger can of chicken to add that extra protein. So all right, well, at this point we're up to 129 subscribers, so thanks everybody for subscribing. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. You know, we're still trying to grow the channel. I'd love to be able to hit that big 1,000 subscriber mark, but we do have a long way to go. But I do appreciate everybody's views and everybody's comments. And it's just been a really great experience making these videos and kind of taking this journey to try to capture some of the stuff that I enjoy here on YouTube. And special shout out to Chris from Barnyard Outdoors. He was the winner of my 100 subscriber giveaway, which was my tumbler here that you can see over to the right. He did a great video as a thank you to my channel, and I really appreciate that for him doing that. He didn't have to, but he did. It was really great. So if you haven't subscribed to Barnyard Outdoors, go ahead and check his site out. Again, we are just a small community. We're just trying to grow it. So it's great. I appreciate the shout out from Chris as well. That was very nice of him to do that. He didn't have to. So, all right, let me go ahead and eat this meal, and then I've got some work to take care of on the property today, and we'll have a new video for you out shortly. So thanks again, everybody.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.